this one later on. This one is a story of somebody or something like. Wait, where is it?
Yay!
Can you see that?
Yes. Bad
Alright.
habits.
Bad habit, yeah.
My video is unavailable.
Why? Oh, okay. Ah. Okay, this one is
Oh yay! Kids Hut. That's my favorite. That's my favorite stories. Are they eating rice? Or soup rice? I don't know. It must be evil. The words are jumping. Hello. Not hear it. Cannot hear it.
oh, what's happened? You cannot hear it?
Yeah. Yes, I cannot hear it. It's silent. Hear it.
How about you, Tia? Can you hear it?
No, I can't hear it.
What's happened?
Maybe laughing and I can just see the faces. No, I can only see the faces.
Yeah, it's okay then. If you cannot hear it, that this father have a
The
son.
lazy girl. I remember the story when the lazy girl.
Yeah, okay. If you guys having a problem with the video, I was just trying to share it with you that his father having a boy, which is having a bad behavior, which is always like watching TV, do not want to do the homework, and then he's always like too lazy to do something. And then until one day that,
I am gonna be good, please. I'm gonna be good. Me too.
yeah. All right, then something like that. And after that, by the time that the son has been trained to do something by the master, and then suddenly he can change his bad behavior. Okay, what do you think, Alithia? What is your bad behavior? What do you think that? Do you have any bad behavior, Alithia?
Oh.
Yeah,
Busy?
everyone has. Sometimes everyone have their own bad behavior. What do you think, Tia? Do you think that you have your bad behavior?
Oh no! Where do you sleep? In your bedroom? In your bedroom? Oh, that.
Are you always sleeping while your teacher is talking, or how about you, Ivo? Do you have bad behavior?
I'm lazy to brush my teeth.
Oh, you don't brush your teeth whenever you want to brush your teeth? Okay. How about you, Ivo? Do you tidy up your room by yourself?
Yeah.
Is that true?
I tried to
How
have
about
my school.
Yeah, how about you, Ivo? Do you tidy up your book after you done with your school?
Yeah, I'm tidy up. But before, sometimes, before when my mom says me to clean up, when I was playing my Barbie dolls, I clean it up.
Oh, cool then. I give you those.
You have to obey your mom.
Yes, you have to obey
If
your
you
mom.
don't know what to do, you're still a little child.
Yeah, just try to get your mom's instruction as a challenge. Okay, if your mommy said, "Can you help me to tidy up your room?" Oh, this is a good challenge. I will help you, mommy. This is a good mission. I will try my best to clean up my room, something like that. How about you, Ruth? Have you ever helped your mommy
Sometimes.
sometime? Like what?
Yeah, don't forget your sleepover with you, Fana.
Like what? Do you help your mommy every day or sometime? Did you still remember what is the activity that you done last time? Oh my God.
Now he looks like a statue. Oh, he's moving. Dude, you are invited to Giovanna and Thea's sleepover.
Yeah. All right then. Okay, let's start to draw something. Yeah, because my connection.
I'm already prepared.
Okay, prepare your paper and your
Already. I already prepare my paper. My paper. I need to make sure my tummy is flat.
all right, we're going to draw somebody or something, people who at the side ya. Kita mau gambar orang dari samping, tampak samping seperti apa.
Wait, where's my marker? You forgot your marker because did you sleep or play? I didn't know, or eat snacks or blah 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 blah. What? Yee. Ah, what? Mr. Al, why your skin looks have some blur? Wait, I am huffing. That's because I am sick.
Ah,
Screen is not blur.
all right, let's start to draw people, yeah, from the side. First of all, we draw the head as usual.
The head.
Yeah, if you draw the head like this, right, as usual, we draw the head like this, right? If you still remember, we often draw people like this from the front, and it is very easy. Yeah, because
Many ink. I'm gonna find one more because
yeah,
this one didn't have any ink.
yeah. After that, we will start to draw again, like this again. But this one is a different, yeah. When you see somebody from the side, oh, sorry. When you see somebody from the side, the ear is supposed to be on this area. And then you put some cracking egg on this area.
What's that?
Yeah, wait. This one is not really clear, sorry. Okay, first, when you draw the people from the side, it's like this. And then you draw the ear on this, in the middle of the U letter, this one. Okay, after that, you draw the cracking egg on this area, like that. And then you connect this one. And then you
Please.
draw the hair like this.
This a circle.
Yeah. Try to practice yourself to draw the people from the side. There is something. Ini,
Wait.
yeah. I'm going to wait. You just,
Here.
yeah, yeah. You can try a lot. Yeah, just draw the people with the U letter like this first, as usual.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it a little bit more simple so that you understand. Right? As usual, you put the ear. It can be C, it can be the other way around.
I'm gonna make your side.
Mm -mm. And up, don't forget to draw the nose.
Gak kelihatan.
Yeah, you can draw the nose on this area like that. Ruth, it's okay. You can point your camera into your face only. Mr. Al, no need to see your drawing. Later we can see the result. Yeah, Ruth. Yeah, it's okay. So that you can see my my paper.
Green.
Yay.
There is
Okay.
nothing.
Yeah. Okay. This is the people from the side. You draw the cracking egg on the screen. Mm-mm. I know this one is very hard. That's why you keep on practicing.
Wait.
Yeah, draw the C or yeah, this one is the C, this one is the B. If I draw it like this, it means they're facing this yeah side. If this one is means that facing that side. Okay, so I will draw the nose. This one is also having a nose.
Why am I so annoyed? Ah.
This how if this person wearing a hat? Oh, it's okay, just something like this. Just a simple like that, and then you put something like that.
Ooh, nice. Draw a hat like this, and then like this. The hat is
Yeah.
well big. What am I gonna draw?
Mr. How if I draw a girl with a tie hair? Okay, you just draw something like this. Girl.
I'm gonna draw my own way.
Oh, you want to draw your own way? It's okay. That will be enrich our knowledge then, yeah? Some kids having their own way to draw or to do something. That's why,
I
yeah.
made earphone. I made earphone.
Okay, nice, nice try. I mean, good, yeah.
I'm gonna make
Right.
a girl that have long hair.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Al, I want to make these girls having long hair. Yeah, just draw the long hair like this. Later, you can draw the long hair.
The hair released it.
Oh, but the neck, Mr. Al. Yes. Now we will draw the neck. Yeah.
I'm gonna draw it very long. That's how a human leg is long.
Oh, but the eyes, Mr. Al. Just draw the eyes like this. No?
I'm gonna make a hair messy. I'm gonna make a messy hair.
Yeah. Okay.
Look, it's funny. All the hair is ding, ding, ding. What's That's funny. Yeah, that's funny. Of course. It's so funny, I can just laugh.
Okay. You may explore. You may try to modify your drawing, like drawing the head.
Can I draw the face later?
All right. Now, Mr. Al, the problem is how to draw the neck. As usual, we will draw the neck like this.
I don't think I can make the ears because it's been covered. The hair is covered by the ears.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't think I can.
Since this one we keep on practice, I know that later maybe the result will be not really good. Yeah, I know, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect. We have to practice like again later on. Now I want you to draw people, yeah, facing front, facing. How if they are facing back, Mr. R? Do you know how to draw the people facing?
Boy, bring a bow on the head like this.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, good. Come on, keep on going with that.
One of the accessories from the Mongol game.
Yeah, Mr. Al, how if that person is facing back? I mean that you only can,
Their ears.
you can only see the hair. Yeah, just draw it like this then.
I want to have little bear ears.
Yeah, there is no face, but there is only a hair because that person is facing.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I remember I watched funny Indiana into the Anna. remember it too. Yeah, the first one was. And then Elsa cracked the scream.
Yeah. All right. For the one who facing front, it's easy. You just draw the body like this, right?
Sounds like a cat, right? Yeah. The cat breaks the screen.
All right, Kakak, Ifo and Ruth, if you notice, if the person is facing us, it's easy. The chest is really wide like this. But when they facing a little bit on the side, dari samping, dia badannya kecil segini doang. So, it's small like this. Small only like that.
I remember when I watched a video how to draw cute eyes.
Mm-mm.
I got them shorts.
Yeah, you still keep the best memory in your brain. That is really cool.
I don't know how to do all of that.
Oh, you don't know? Just
Yeah,
do the small rectangle.
I draw the person like that.
Try it or try. It's okay. This today our target, our goal is only trying to draw people from the side.
People,
I
why
know.
why do you mute your voice? Sorry.
Right, Mr. Al. Now, how to draw the hands? Because when you are facing side, one of your hand will be hiding behind. I mean, behind your body. Okay, I will just draw the hands like this. See that? This is my hand.
I'm gonna make another girl but with cute eyes.
Later we will draw the something with the cute eyes, yeah. But today we only need to draw people from the side. But Mr. Al, this one is like a pigeon holes. Ini kayak sarang ini ya, kayak sarang what we call it burung, something like this. Why that the hand is too short, Mr. Al? Wait, I'm going to make it very long. Ready? One, two, go. Watch, 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 watch. I draw the hands on this area.
Why do you cut the line?
Okay, I draw another hands like this. Why ready? One, two, go. I draw the hands on this.
Are you draw the thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh
What?
my gosh, my
Ini loh.
ear is so cute.
What?
My ear is so cute.
Mm-hmm. Right. This one also make the hands long, yeah.
My hand is like this, guys. It's so funny.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. Yeah, good job, Ruth. But try to draw the people from the side, Ruth.
Drawing people from the side.
Mm-hmm.
Some are just facing at the front, and some are facing at the side. This girl has a short hair. That means its name Ruth. Oh wait, I ever saw you have a haircut. I do a haircut.
Yeah, you look fresh, Ruth.
I'm gonna draw a circle where the handle is.
Yeah, info.
Okay, stop. I have a funny joke. Why? Why we have salty water? Because I spread it with salt. No, that's not the reason. That's because when rain drops, it makes the water salty.
Okay, this is a funny question for you. If you can answer it, that means that you're very genius. Why our freezer? Why that our mom or our daddy always put the freezer at the side? Kenapa mereka taruh kulkas di pojokan?
Why? Just tell me
Why?
why.
Why that our parents always like put the freezer at the side of our house?
E14. Come on. I think it means to be easier to grab. I don't know.
Why? Because
Because to make it easier to get it. I don't know.
yeah, because no one wants to talk with the freezer. That's why we put the freezer at the side.
You are so silly.
Yeah, so silly and weird. Yeah. Okay. Do
I
you have
like
any other silly question that I can answer it?
I have a silly question again.
Yeah. Can you please tell us?
Why the sprinkles drops from the sky? Because I already put full sprinkles inside the clouds.
You have to wait for the others to answer your question. Yeah, you have to wait. Okay. Kakak Tia, can I see your drawing? I want to see your progress first. The one, okay, the person at the side. Show us, please, so that we can exchange the knowledge. Okay, yeah, try. Good job, Kakak Tia. Yeah, yeah, something like that. Come on, try again, please. You have to try to imagine how if somebody walking facing the side, not facing front of.
It's short.
Yeah, come on, keep up doing the good work, Kakak Tia. Come on, keep on going with that. You're going to color this one with the watercolor, yeah, so that it will be much easier.
Okay. My marker just dropped for no reason.
Mm-mm.
Who wants to ask a silly question?
Okay, this is my silly question. What is the capital of USA? Is it New York or Newark?
Maybe New York? I don't
Yeah.
know.
Okay, once again, what is the capital of USA? Is it New York or Newark?
Washington, D.C.
Yeah, Kakak Tia, good job. Good job.
What? How come you can know? I don't know. Told me.
Yeah, you have to. Okay, this is very simple question, yeah?
Or can I say clumsy or silly? Or maybe
Maybe,
clumsy? Or maybe silly Mr. Cat?
okay, Kakak Alithia, please, you have to be creative, yeah? Draw back, maybe backpack. Maybe they are holding a backpack. Something like this.
What happened with
Maybe they bring or book their school bag, right? It's okay if it is not perfect. At least you guys trying to draw the object.
Mr. Al, is your name Silly Cat?
My name is Silika. No, my name is Silly Singer.
Funny joke.
I'm not good in singing something.
I have a funny Silly Cat is funny. I have a funny joke.
Yeah, come on, Nico. Tell us.
Why did the cow cross the street? It's going to the movie. Movie wanted to go somewhere that has the emperor to the moon. Oh, I said movie. I remember special shop. I remember this joke because it's going to the movie. No, because it wanted to go to the moon. I have a daily joke, guys. Why did the cat poop on the street? Oh no. because the cat wants the pig to wash their body on it because the pig thought it was mud.
All right, then we go back to the movie that we just saw a while ago about the bad habit. Yeah. Bad
Yes,
habit.
because I haven't seen it. It
So
haven't.
I give you examples. All right. You go to the toilet and then your mommy just scream at you because you do not flush your toilet with water. Is that a good or bad behavior?
Bad. Bad. I always flush the toilet. Sometimes not. Toilet also. The bathroom will be 100% sticky.
Okay.
And toilet first. And toilet.
In the morning, every morning your mommy need to scream a lot because you do not wake up, even though that the time is already there. You have to wake up.
Because the cat wants to go to the movie.
Okay, is that a good behavior or bad behavior? You do not wake up in the
Daddy.
morning so that you have to go to your school.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know too. You do.
All right, you went from school
Oh my head.
and then you just throw your shoes into some side of your house. You do not tidy up your shoes, you just throw it. Is that a good behavior or bad behavior?
I have strawberry. Okay.
Okay. You eat your food, but suddenly your mommy are very mad because all of the rice is spreading on the table. Is that good behavior or bad behavior?
Look at me. Fireball.
All right then. It's time for us to color this one.
Hey, coloring. Coloring.
Coloring. Coloring.
It's my favorite part of this. It's coloring. It's coloring. It's Thank you, man.
All right. You have to
Which pen
imagine.
should I use first?
Yeah, you have to imagine the scene.
Where's my painty? I need the painty.
All right. I want Ivo,
Painty.
I want Ivo and Ruth and Tia to be creative to create the background. Is it in the mountain or is it in the
No,
station?
I cannot even. I cannot read your name. I'll just rename.
Yeah.
How about you just rename yourself Miss Gal and that's it.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I just wrote my name with my nickname. Sorry.
Not an evil cutie pie. I ever name myself? Me too. Why cutie pay? Wait, what? Cutie pay, cutie pie. Eh. Eh.
Okay, how is it? Do you have any problem, guys, when you do this kind of thing?
Nope.
Coba, I want to see Ivo first. Ivo, I want to check your work. Ivo, can you help me to show it?
Broken. Broken. You see?
Oh, you falling down?
What happened?
All right, Ivo, I want you to show us your drawing, yeah? Please do not too lazy to draw it. If it is not nice, I will ask you to draw it again one more time. Yeah, correct, like that. Okay, some of your figure, Ivo, doesn't have any leg. I want you to put legs on it. Make it complete, yeah? I thought you are drawing the human, not drawing the zombie. The zombie doesn't have any leg, like, crawling like that. Okay, you may start to color it now. All right, be creative to color the background. All right, I think this one is in the, oh, I'm going to make it as in the train station. I will do a training on this area, like in Japan. This person are walking, trying. They want to write the, yeah, they want to write the train, the very fast train in Japan. Something like that. And then maybe some, okay, like something like that. I want you guys to be creative to draw the background, yeah? Don't be too lazy to draw the background because, yeah, you can follow me or you can use your own imagination. How is it? Ruth, do you have any problem? You can unmute your screen now. If you want to talk, Ruth, you can just press the mic again, open it.
I do want to talk because I don't want to be silent.
Okay. How about you, Joe? Yeah. Kakak Lydia, try to move more object, yeah?
My mom said I have to mute.
Yeah. Your mommy is correct. Sometimes we have to stop talking and do our drawing. Because if we keep on talking,
Doesn't cry. No, a princess doesn't cry. No. Wait, hold on. Can I stop painting? No. Well, because your people is a lot, then you need to color it. Woo, Baba Boy. Baba Boy means. Even what is Baba Boy?
okay, who wants to sing?
Not me. Wait.
Oh, if you do not want to sing, so you don't have any choice, then you will let Mr. Alf to sing.
Okay, Baba Boy.
Are you ready to hear my voice?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to sing that. Let's go, can't look back anymore.
Let it go. Why are your voices like that?
Oh, do you know the new song that sing by some Korean
You know
singers?
this. Um, I. Well, fuck. Well, fuck. I want to. Cutie pie. What? Because I am cute and I love pie. I just brought a kid that is a boy, and he forgot it to wear his school clothes, but instead he wearing his school clothes, he wear his pajamas. For sleeping in the car. Oh my goodness, nothing makes sense with that thing or tingy. Eva, you always say thingy, right? And I am thinking, what else? Thingy. Say thingy. Thingy. What does thingy mean? You know what a thingy? I heard you say that many times and 100 times and 100 times 100 billion times, and blah 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 blah. Just blah 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 blah.
Hey, you don't want to continue your walking. Come on, where's your thinking? Hey, okay, now I'm working with that. Okay, here's the tips, yeah? If you want to make your work faster, color the background first. Try to find the big area first to cover. Like, for example, the floor. This is the tips how you can make your drawing more faster, colored by the pen or crayon. Try to color the big area, which is the floor or the sky.
Wow. Oh. Is that?
Color the big area first, which is the floor or the sky of your painting, of your drawing.
Oh
If you
wow.
try with a small pot, it will be too much.
I'm drawing nothing.
Find them.
Oh man. What should I do now? There's no bus, there's no train, and there's no trees. What should I do now?
Okay, how about you, Iko? Do you drawing the people in the station or in the market? Where is it?
I am drawing them at the mall.
Oh, at the mall. Okay, that's
I
cool.
ever go to the mall at Surabaya?
Well, what is the mall's name? What is the name of the mall? Is it Plaza Tunjungan or what? Okay, now I'm working with my drawing. I start to insert one by one the color.
Okay, the skirt is color pink. And then what? Everyone is unmuted except for Atea. He's muted. So yeah. I cannot hear your laugh and why your screen with a goat or something like that. Careful, the ward might attack you. Huh? What? That's the background. That is my zodiac sign. Okay.
All right, you can use big brush to cover the big area, guys.
Eva Cutie Pie, why are you muted? That's because I have to mute.
Yeah. Just mute your mic first.
Wait, I didn't draw a train.
Come on, Ruth, finish your work. Don't be too lazy.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, you can use a big brush, Ruth.
Or maybe I can just draw somehow.
No, you have to learn how to color also, not only drawing.
Okay.
Yeah. Drawing and painting is
Long train. You can mute yourself for a while. If you're muted, how can I hear your voice? For a while. What?
yeah. Ego will be silent just for a while. Ruth, you also Ruth, come on.
Me too. Boom.
Yeah, okay. Everybody is muting each other and try to finish your work faster because
Okay, I'm done muting.
Time is ticking. Don't wasting your time.
I'm gonna draw apple. Okay, I was trying to say, if you said you want to mute yourself for a while, I'm muting myself for a while. A while means long, and then when you are done, you just have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone knows that. Don't. The people is just walking right past the park. They also make my human leg tiny because of the people, the one that is going towards it. Oh. I draw my own tree, but not. I didn't copy Mr. Oz. It's with stairs and
As well as you can please modify with your own creation, with your own imagination, okay?
Okay, Baba Bowie, Baba Bowie, Baba. Stairs that go up and down by itself. How do you call it? Oh yeah, escalator. Alrighty. What is alrighty? I don't understand what is alrighty. Okay. What is alrighty? Do the trees. I need to do trees. Alrighty. Already. You already set it up the trees. The trees. Left ink in this pencil. Wait, it's not a pencil, it's a marker. Silly me. Ifo, in the weekends I'm gonna call you. But in the not weekend thingy, I will not call you. So is that because you're schooling. So that's why I didn't call you.
Are you guys in the same school?
My school is I do my zooming school like Thea's mom. My school is Binabangsa School.
Where is it?
I don't actually have my school. I usually have my school, but now it doesn't.
Oh, Binabangsa in Kebonjeruk.
I'm gonna have a new school certificate! Yay! It's in Malang.
Oh, in Malang. I thought it's in Kebonjeruk.
Oh. I'm gonna draw many carrots because I know everyone in the store loves carrots.
Okay.
My favorite let's talk about characters. Do you know who is Clara Afton? No.
Who is that? Who is she?
From the Afton family. Yes. You're correct. You're correct.
How did you know?
Do
Here.
you know this? When I play Roblox Gacha Club, I mean online, people sometimes name themselves Clara Afton.
Oh, okay.
Hey, how do you know?
That's a nice fact that you know.
Who knows the fake Clara Afton? She can have anything. Wait, I have a character. Wait. Do you know who is? Wait, this is from the game. I see. I forgot the name. Oh. Just make your own name, not from anywhere, not even from the game. I know something. I have one character that they can think. I know who is Freddy.
Who is Freddy?
Freddy is from the game. Oh, from FNAF. I saw Freddy. Freddy's from FNAF. I saw Freddy. I know. I know the character Gumball, The Amazing World. Gumball says what? Because Gumball always says what to what. That's not nice, Gumball. You will be in jail. And copycat of them. Kiki, what is the name? Exactly. I love Kiki Chocolate. Kiki, Ribbit, Dad, Mom, and then there's a little sister called the Ribbit because there's a bunch public of people. That doesn't make any sense. Kiki Chocolate. I love it. I like Kiki Chocolate.
Yeah. Come on.
I have a video about Penny.
Ruth, come on, stop talking, do your work.
Do you know who is Chicky Chocolate? I don't know. It's from Shopkins. You have to watch it, and then the chocolate is Chicky Chocolate. That's my favorite. And Cookie. It's a
Ruth,
cookie.
you have to finish that thingy-majiggy, okay?
We don't know what is it named. Stop it. I have brought my and a stair wheel. I know who's Clara Afton. Alrighty, now what is alrighty? We're gonna put a bunch of glue. I know who is 8 Pika.
Was it, Ruth? Are you done?
Okay.
Yeah, remember, yeah.
How about the video about Penny? Like about George with the chocolate. I like my chocolate. In my opinion, your chocolate tastes like caca. What is caca? At the bottom, it's gonna be a bridge. At the bottom of the shell. How rude.
Why? I mean, what is that, Ivo? From the bottom of the shelf?
I'm gonna put some popsicles.
Oh, okay.
Normal popsicles, big popsicles, all of the sized popsicles. Small popsicles, animal popsicles. Okay, I'm drawing the line. I'm almost done. I'm drawing a big car.
Wow, good job.
And this is a house for a mouse.
Yeah, just remember that last week we already learned about how to be creative, right? We turn the basic shapes into something that having a new meaning.
Maybe I go fishing when it's over for the corona. Haven't finished drawing yet. So let's just draw and also paint it.
Don't put many fruit.
Daniel, the popsicles are red. They
Oh,
made it.
don't put too many paints then.
You're like a pig. You're like Please stop with the stopping. La 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 la. La 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 la. And also the one who's wearing a hat is still wearing pajamas. What is wrong with these people? Wow! The girl is like, hello boy. And the boy says nothing. I don't know why. Sampo Python. Is there other videos of? I don't know why.
Yeah, I know. I want to change it.
Oh,
Right. How is it, Ivo? Are you done?
not yet.
Oh, is it
I don't know what color to use. Maybe
any
you can.
color?
Maybe you can use purple.
Yeah, purple is a good idea.
Yellow and also the girl that loves the candy. Also white and also black and also gray and also brown.
Come on, Ivo. Can I see your progress? How is it?
Come on, Evo. My,
And Ruth also. Ruth.
how come my voice is flawless?
Palace? Okay, I'm going to say your name and you have to
I need to
present,
make
yeah?
that. Gonna make dark blue. Dark
Yeah,
blue.
you have ready or not, you have to present. We're going
Let's
to start present on
If I don't be done, I will be fired.
the Evo. You
Some
don't,
rabbit popsicle have a pink stick. There's some them are different because they have peach stick because their popsicle is peach because it looks like bread. I'm doing the typical properly way.
okay.
For you, Mr. Al,
Yeah, Ruth.
my Chinese teacher was angry to Clayton.
Oh, sorry, can you say it again?
Um, the Chinese teacher was angry to Clayton. Clayton is a boy.
Oh, your Lauser get mad because of your friend, Satan?
Of course. Well, because he didn't show the worksheet to her, so he just say, "I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done."
Oh, I'm done. But the fact is, he's still not doing it. Like that?
Yeah, and Miss Yan Chen said, the Chinese teacher said he always put background in his screen, and also he just turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. So it's like that.
Oh, okay then. Oh yeah, don't forget, Ruth, while you're talking, your hands keep on doing something, yeah?
I remember.
Remember that the bad behavior is also something like you do not do it something properly, or you just too lazy to color it. Yeah, and I don't want you guys to have your bad behavior. Everyone have bad behavior, Mr. Al. Bad behavior is something like I sometimes what yeah. When I'm singing, everyone becoming so um, so shame, like they don't want to listen up to Mr. Al singing. But I'm willing to be a good singer later on. Then. How about you, Ruth? Do you have any bad behavior?
Sometimes
What is your good behavior, Ruth?
it's not listening.
Oh, it's not listening to somebody. What is about your good behavior? Are you always like helping your money?
Yes, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'm lazy and just make mess
Oh,
there.
are you also helping your mom to give some to feed your turtle?
Yes, but sometimes I don't. I only wash them.
Mm, yeah, if you have your time keep feed your turtle so that they will not feel so starving. How about you, Olivia? Yeah, do you have do you think
Oh.
you have a good behavior?
Huh?
Do you think that you have your good behavior?
Yeah.
What is that? Can you share with us?
Uh, always cleaning up.
Oh, you always cleaning up your table?
I sometimes take all the stuff and put it back in the place. I
Mhm.
sometimes, when I'm done with playing with my laptop, I always close it. I sometimes clean the dishes for
Wow,
my
cool.
mom and also tidy up everything.
Wow, cool, Tia. Cool.
Clean
That's
the
really
dishes.
yeah, I'm so proud of you, Tia, because you help your mommy. And because of you now, not I mean you already grow And then you have to keep on responsible to your table, to all your belongings. And then, yeah, that is good. I give 2 thumbs up. And 2 thumbs up also for the root for helping everybody.
Well, I guess Thea is more clever than me.
Mm. And then 2 thumbs up for Evo, maybe for helping her mom tidy up, clean up the room. Yeah. All right. Who ready to submit? I mean to present?
Not me. Come on, Eva, don't be lazy. I'm not being lazy. You say not me. That's because I'm not yet done, Ruth. Why you always call my name Ruth? That's not my name. Because I'm like mad.
Right.
My voice is fallish this time. What's taking so long? Come on, chirp chirp. What's that?
Right on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Even isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this thrill from inside. Don't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. You can see to be good girl, you always have to be. And so don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Never bother anyway. 1,000 distance makes everything seem small. Ruth, can you help me please how to sing song? My voice is so bad.
Let's sing. I did it my funny song. In my eyes, in my nose, I can see with my nose.
Ivo, help Mr. Al how to be a good singer. Give me some tips, please.
For the tips of the good singer like me,
Yeah.
you have to train your voice. So if you train it more harder and harder, it will be more sophisticated, good.
Okay, I will turn my.
If you do phallus, then I train your voice like training your dog or something.
Okay.
Like what is happening with your voice? I mean, what is happening with voice?
I don't know.
I don't know what you mean. I have tips for you.
Do you have any?
You have to write a song in your book if you have a diary or a singing control book, then you can write song, then you can train. If you just do random like la la la, then you will don't know the song.
Okay. Okay, I will try to write my own song.
Okay, now who wants to sing? Me. I want first. I wonder how, I wonder why. I know blue sky and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down. I'm turning, 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 turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Like that. I know that song. Don't worry. I know it. I told her in the first. And sing it. I want to hear it.
Okay.
I already.
Nicole, you want to sing that song, the Lemon Tree song?
Lemon tree song. Come on. I already sing it when Ruth sing it.
Okay, ready, Nicole?
I want to hear your singing. I haven't heard it. Before, I already sang it when Ruth was singing it.
Come on, Ivo, sing for us, please, please, please.
If you don't want to sing, then I'll slap my bottom.
That's so funny.
And out. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all. It's another lemon tree. Roots.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all that I can see. Just a lemon tree. And I wonder, I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all that I can see. Just a lemon tree.
Lemon tree. I wonder, I
La
wonder.
la 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 di da la 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 di da la la di 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 da. Ah.
The girl version. The girl version is I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about. That's from the not true one. That's the fake one.
Yeah. How is it, Ruth? Are you done?
Yeah, I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Like that. Just like lemon tree, the real one, and then boom, you can sing the normal. I have a funny song. I have
Alright.
finished my funny song. With my eyes and my nose, I can see the world with my nose, and I can talk with my mouth. Blah 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 blah. The pigs poop in the mud, and the cow jumped to the moon, and then the cow jumped over to the land and hit the bottom.
Are you, Ruth? Come on, Ruth. Are you done? Finish?
I'm almost finished.
Hey, come on. Who's finished already? You can present it. Mr. R cannot wait to see your
Now
drawing.
it's 100% pain. With my eyes and my nose, I can see the world with my nose. La 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 la.
With my eyes, with my nose, I can see my all the world with my nose. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Can see the night with my nose.
Okay, how is it? I mean, Ivo and then Alithia. If you have any problem, please share with us. Maybe we can learn.
Mary, Kamari, Before I was singing Lily and you just bumping away. Lily was a little girl. Oh, baby. Within her cat. Now and she tried to run, and I with the. Oh, I am very mad. Thank you, Lord. So afraid. Lord, please, stop. Say stop, and I'm fine. Now. What? Now. Thank you. Now you make me very mad. Now. What?
Come on, Ruth, are you done?
Thank you.
Or you want to present it now? Kakatia, are you done?
Need to color so.
Yeah, it's been 1 hour, you know. You have to work faster.
1 hour. I just made this.
Wow, that is inside the mall?
No, it's they're next to the in the bus station place. I don't
Okay,
know what it's
are you
called.
ready to present it?
Yeah. Hey, Eva, now you can say whatever you want to do. Just say.
Okay, take photo first. Okay, ready? Alithia, ready? Wait. I'm going to take photos of you first. Oh, how to do it? Let me know.
Alrighty, just draw this the bus and then the tree
Wait,
and
Kakatia, wait.
then boom, done with the grass.
How to do it?
I'm
Oh,
not
like this.
gonna draw any grass.
Okay, Kakatia, where are you? Oh, this one. Wait, I'm going to take photo first.
Oh,
Ready? One, two, go. Smile. Okay, you can start now.
yeah.
So, hi, my name is Tia, and this is my drawing.
I like selfie. Hi, my name is Tia, and this is my drawing. So this is thing the I don't know. It's called like the first side.
The
Everything.
photo from the side, yeah.
The photo many time. I just so there I in a bus station. This is the school bus,
And then,
and all these persons are waiting to get in for school. So yeah. So this guy has black pants with a purple shirt and gray gray jacket and also some orange hair.
yeah.
And these girls are and this girl has pink hair and a pink shirt and a pink skirt. I don't know why I choose pink. And this is the girl who is facing backwards. That she has a purple backpack or maybe a pink backpack or maybe a pink backpack. And she's wearing a orange shirt with another darker pink um, skirt. So there's a guy who has brown hair and has a gray shirt with an orange shirt and has a gray backpack. And this is this girl with a pink hat and a black hair, two yellow hair or maybe blonde. And this girl is wearing teal shirt and a black backpack or maybe white and is wearing jeans. This girl is wearing pink sweater and has brown hair. And this girl has a purple shirt with teal pants and red socks and shoes. And this girl has a teal skirt and a red shirt up with purple hair.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, you know what, Kakatia? Your drawing from time to time, it's getting better and better, and I can see the
I
progress.
don't draw like this anymore.
What?
I don't draw this anymore. I draw like an animation.
Oh, you want to try animation?
Yeah, I sometimes make them big. I like drawing animation on the whiteboard.
Oh, you like to draw the anime on your whiteboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep up the good work, Alisa. That is a good behavior. Okay, you keep on practice drawing and drawing and drawing. Later on in the future, you can be one of the animators maybe in Indonesia, which is very famous in the world, right? And I can see that the way you draw the people now, it's very ideal. The legs are very long and the hand is also long. The body are ideal. And then the color are also good. Okay. Can you please share with us, tell us three things that you learned from this lesson?
Uh, Number one, I think making people face like here and also back face.
Okay, good. Yeah.
And
Mhm.
also like making people together, like like you know they're like together yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. The last
And
one.
also making the school bus.
Oh, you're trying to draw the school bus. Yeah. Okay. Are you happy with the result?
Yeah.
Yeah, I also have, I can see that your drawing are very good. If I become the judge, I will put you at the first one of the list in
Now
the
it's my turn to
winner.
present.
Thank you so much, Kakak Tia. Please stay, ya. Kakak Tia, please stay because we need to support our sister. This one is Ivo. Ivo, are you ready?
Yep.
I on screen. Ivo, ready? One, two, go. Okay, you can start to present it, Ivo.
Hi, my name is Ivo and this is my drawing. I make a girl that has this blue, purple, and there's some pink at the next to the blue. There's blue, pink, and purple.
Yeah.
This girl likes candy, so she goes here and all of them has a line. So she can get this. Up. She likes the bunny. Her favorite color is pink, the and purple and blue because they're very pretty. Like me, I like blue and pink and purple.
Yeah. Are you done?
And don't forget this.
Mm-mm.
He's wearing his backpack because
Okay.
he wants it. And all of them is grown up, even though they look small.
Okay. Yeah.
Because they're at the ground and then he's at the he from the escalator.
All right.
Escalator. And there's fruits and vegetable. Vegetable. I know vegetable is funny.
Right.
And this is all bread popsicles because the bunny popsicles have run out. This is the bread color, the sticks. The stick is like the bread color, and the bunny stick is like the bunny color. And then,
That's it.
yeah, the shelf is actually white, so I
Yeah.
don't color it.
Yeah. Wow. I can see that you also making a really nice progress. If your drawing nowadays looking very good. Otherwise, maybe somebody helping you to color it. But I can see that you have your characteristic, your own characteristic, and then at your age, maybe this kind of drawing are already good for Mr. If you join the competition, maybe you should join the competition, yeah, next time, Ivo. If your result will be like this, if I'm sure that you can be one of the finalists, maybe later on to be the winner. Okay. Are you happy with that, Ivo?
Yes,
Ivo, can you share us, please, the three things that you learned from this lesson?
I learned how to make people that are like this,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and I I I learned how to draw people that is from the back. They're walking.
And then the last one, you learn about what?
I learned how to draw sweet colors at the wall. I met paints,
Mhm.
the sweet colors, and all of the colors of the rainbow.
All right, this is the question for you, Ivo. How to make your drawing better in the future? What do you think?
You have to like
What? Practice
yeah,
what?
fast. You have
Yes.
to make it fast to work it.
Okay. That's
And
it.
then
And then what?
yeah, I forgot. This you have to you have to take you have to take some beautiful paints. That will make it 100% full.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ivo. How about you, Tia? How to make your drawing looks perfect in the future?
I think adding details.
Maybe, yeah. You think that it's good for you to adding some detail on your drawing. That is good. And the last but not least, we have Ruth. Ready or not, Ruth? Come on.
With my best friend.
Yeah. Ruth, come on, present it. It's okay if it is not done or half done. At least we have to end it. We have to end this time with a nice presentation. Come on, Ruth. It's okay if it is not done.
Done yet.
It's okay. Come on.
Go, Ruth, go!
Go, Ruth. Go, Ruth.
Oh, this is my presentation.
Yeah, wait. I'm going to take photos first. Ruth, ready? One, two, take photos. Okay, you can stop now. Ready? One, two, go.
Hi, my name is Ruth, and I made the drawing. I made I made 5 trees, and I made an aeroplane because they are gonna go to Jakarta. And I draw the grass. I draw the draw. I draw. I drew the door of the aeroplane. This is right here.
Yeah, nice.
And I draw the grass green.
Wow.
It's blue. And it's almost night.
Yeah,
So that is my presentation.
that's it.
Yes?
You don't want to talk about the train, I mean the airplane behind it, how you draw it?
Uh,
Okay, this is very important. Have you ever flew with the aeroplane? Have you ever ride the aeroplane or maybe with
yes?
passenger? Oh, nice then. Can you tell us your experience? How is it feel?
When I ride on an aeroplane, sometimes some things get in my ear, so that's why now my ear is hurting. But no, the doctor is closed.
Okay. Right now. Okay, thank you so much. You know what, Ruth? Your drawing is also looks very good, very detailed now. It's different from maybe 2 months ago, while everything seems to be like a basics drawing. But nowadays, I can see your progress is also good, Ruth. I give you 2 thumbs up. After good work, Ruth and Tia and Ivo. Don't forget to always practice a lot. And then yeah, only texted. Yeah. See you again next week, everybody. Ruth. Oh yeah, Ruth, can you mention please 3 things that you learned from this lesson?
Um, I learned how to uh, I learned how to concentrate on drawing.
Yeah, and then
I I learned how to be quiet,
mhm.
and I know how to concentrate on my drawing and not talk and talk and talk.
Yeah, thanks. That was a really good reflections, a moment for you, guys, Ruth. Thank you so much, Ruth and Ivo and Kakatia. Ivo, ready? Take a rest and don't forget to eat. Yeah.
You know what are you doing?
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye 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 bye.